is Amber Spears, and I am running for the first ever Miss Black Collegiate USA. I am hoping to make the inaugural year of the Miss Black Collegiate USA Scholarship Pageant a promising one. I would like you all to vote for me for the People's Choice Award. My platform consists of 1. Getting youth involved in sharing experiences in order to overcome obstacles. 2. Encouraging more youth to want to go into STEM-related fields, and STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And 3. Particularly reaching out to youth in juveniles and youth homes and encouraging them to share their experiences and also encouraging them to go into STEM fields. I bring you greetings from the University of Michigan, where I graduated with my bachelor's in science and engineering, and also from the University of Texas, where I currently study geotechnical engineering. And my future goal is to combine my expertise in geotechnical engineering with my passion for community outreach. And if you stay tuned, I will share with you some of the accomplishments that I've made and more reasons why you should vote me for the first ever Miss Black Collegiate USA. Thank you.